Have you tried making a homemade butternut squash soup? It is super easy. Check this out. Hi everyone, it's Debbie from Debbie's Kitchen Corner. I'm gonna show you how to make a butternut squash soup from scratch. The great thing about this recipe is that it takes less than 30 minutes to make and you can basically eat it all year round. I used to not like butternut squash, but when I made this recipe in this butternut squash soup, I fell in love with it. I don't know about you, but I'm getting kind of hungry. Let's get started. Oh, before I forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of our delicious recipes.
Take a butternut squash and a large sweet potato, or 2 smaller ones, and cut them up. Place them on a baking pan and drizzle with oil if you want to roast your vegetables. Sprinkle some salt on them as well. And if you do not want to roast them in the oven, just put them to the side. Let's dice up a small onion. And if you only have a big one, just take a half. Also mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves. And here are the spices you will need. A 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon ginger, and 1 tablespoon curry. Also later you need a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Now cook the onions until translucent. Also add the salt. And then add the garlic to it as well. Add the roasted butternut squash and sweet potatoes. Add 4 cups of vegetable broth and the spices one by one. Curry, ginger, cumin, paprika, and cayenne. Mix and let simmer for about 25 minutes. Then take your blender and puree it until smooth. If you like, you can use coconut milk instead of cream. I, on the other hand, will add 300 milliliter cream to it. Mix it well. Soup is served. You can decorate it with some seeds if you like. Let's taste it.